Here are the steps on how to apply for power supply for your new Axia home. Procedure for Meralco, Batalec, and Pelco will be discussed in this video. 7 steps of Meralco application. Step 1. Go to the nearest Meralco branch and submit the following requirements: proof of ownership or copy of contract to sell, proof of identification or copy of valid ID, copy of electrical permit, copy of land title. Accomplish Meralco application form or filled out actual form available at the Meralco branch customer service. Step 2. Meralco representative will conduct site inspection for feasibility check and will give inspection report. Step 3. Pay bill deposit, sign a Meralco contract, and get meter socket. Step 4. Give the meter socket to property admin for construction of service entrance. Processing and installation will take 2 to 3 weeks. Step 5. Once installed, homeowner shall go to Meralco for request of service entrance inspection. After the inspection and once approved, Meralco representative will give the yellow card stating to secure Certificate of Final Inspection or CFEI. Step 6. Secure Certificate of Final Electrical Inspection at the City Building Administrator's Office or City Engineering's Office and submit to the Meralco branch. And Step 7. Service energization. Seven steps of Batalec application. Step 1. Go to the nearest Batalec branch and submit the following requirements: proof of ownership or copy of contract to sell, proof of identification or copy of valid ID, barangay clearance or cedula, copy of electrical permit, copy of land title, 2 copies of 1x1 ID picture, certificate of occupancy, fire safety permit, special power of attorney if representative, and accomplish Batalec form at the Batalec branch customer service. Step 2. Attend Batalec seminar at the Batalec branch. Step 3. Pay meter socket fee, sign a Batalec contract, and get the meter socket. Step 4. Give the meter socket to property admin for installation of service entrance by property management group. Processing and installation will take 2 to 3 weeks. Step 5. Once installed, homeowner shall go to Batalec for request of service entrance inspection. Requirement is to bring a printed picture of service entrance installed as proof of installation. Step 6. Batalec representative will conduct site visit for final inspection and will give inspection report. Once approved, the homeowner may now pay the connection fee. Step 7. Service energization. Steps of Pelco application. Step 1. Prepare the following documents: 2 pieces of 1x1 latest colored picture, photocopy of 1 valid ID, authorization to move in, contract to sell, barangay clearance. Step 2. Present the documents to any of the following Pelco offices and make an appointment schedule for pre-membership orientation seminar. Step 3. Attend the pre-membership orientation seminar. Step 4. Secure the following requirements at Local Government Unit Pampanga: Certificate of Electrical Inspection or Certificate of Final Electrical Inspection. Electrical Permit from Municipal Engineer's Office. Electrical layout signed and sealed by professional electrical engineer. Fire Safety Permit from Bureau of Fire Department. Neighbor's Receipt or Billing Statement of PELCO 2. Sinumpaang Salaysay or Clearance Form from PELCO. Authorization letter and a copy of Special Power of Attorney for representatives. Step 5. Go to the Consumer Service Coordinators or Consumer Welfare Desk Officers in your designated area office and submit your completed requirements as well as the documents you presented during the pre-membership orientation seminar. Step 6. Wait for the house wiring inspector to inspect your home's wiring installation. The inspector might check it more than once before approving it. Step 7. When it is approved, the inspector will provide you a list of what must be paid based on his findings. If there is no payment instruction, you cannot still pay at that time. Step 8. Upon receiving a list from the wiring inspector, you may now proceed to PELCO cashier or teller for payment. Step 9. Meter will be installed in your home in 2 to 3 weeks' time, depending on their availability. Step 10. Service Energization.